Hi friends, in this video I want to talk about replicating established artists' paintings. It helps you to develop your skills. Replicating established artists' paintings allows you to practice and refine various techniques such as brush strokes, color mixing, text and texture application, contributing to your overall skill development. Copying artworks helps you analyze and understand the unique styles and compositional choices of different artists. These insights can broaden your artistic vocabulary and influence your own approach to composition. The other advantage is that by recreating another artist's color palette, you can enhance your understanding of color theory. It provides a hands-on experience in deciphering how certain hues, tones, and shades work together to create visual harmony. Copying can be a confidence-building exercise, especially for beginners. Successfully replicating a piece can boost your self-assurance and encourage you to tackle more complex projects. Replicating paintings from various art movements allows you to appreciate the historical context and evolution of art. It provides a tangible connection to the works of renowned artists throughout different periods. The act of copying can spark inspiration for your original works. By immersing yourself in the techniques of others, you may discover new approaches and ideas that can be incorporated into your unique creations. However, it's crucial to approach copying as a learning tool and not as a means to claim someone else's work as your own. Use it as a stepping stone to develop your style and voice as an artist.